Morning and welcome back. So today is my parents' anniversary and we're going out, so let's get ready. Took a shower and that's my outfit. I made some gulab jamun. Gonna start with snail mucin. Applying some eye serum. Make sure you take a old t-shirt of yours or your brother's and then pull the water out if you have any, even on the top of your head, everywhere. Old setting, okay? Completely dry and I don't have time to dry it, so just gonna apply some serum. Okay, I've just done my hair. I don't know how awful I look, but anyway, let's put some lipstick. Some blush.
నువ్వు ఇంకా వీడియో తీస్తున్నావా? సమ్ లిప్స్టిక్ అనుకుంటా.
లేదు అయిపోయింది. 1 minute అయిపోయింది.
సరేనా, నీ ఇష్టం.